Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for watching my review video. Now today I want to review a product that is called Webinar Loop 2. It is brought to you by on Cyril Gupta and Technic Force, and it's available through Zavizu. So I would like to say is take a look my extra bonuses that I have available through my link, and just have a quick look at what Webinar Loop 2 can do. I don't have access to the software, but I do have access to the demo video. So let's have a look at the sales page, okay? So here we are on the sales page of Webinar Loop 2. It's a software that you can use to create and run live and on-demand webinars. You can use scheduled replays within hand-free automation and breakthrough sales getting features. Basically, these new features within the webinar software platform. You don't need any hosting, and there are already dozens of ready-made templates inside of the software and this engagement and sales boosters, which means that your audience can actually participate in answering questions or take a part in polls within the webinar. So that is a great addition to a plain webinar, because this interaction there on the sales page, there is a video that you can listen to, and then there is a let's see, okay. This is some of the information that you can put inside of your webinar recordings on your live webinars, call to actions during the webinar, info pop-ups and graphics, and surveys support Facebook and Google retargeting, dozens of ready editable templates, custom branding on the sales page, email and text support. There is Zapier support, so you can link in with some of your other tools and stuff. Embeddable opt-in pages that work on anywhere and live evergreen and on-demand webinars. So once you have created a webinar that you might have held live, then you can have it as a recording that you can then advertise or run on your organic traffic to keep on promoting whatever it is, whatever business, whatever you know, affiliate program that you are promotingly on evergreen and on demand webinars. So it's a fantastic, because everybody realize that when you are in the affiliate market, not any other business, even quoting webinars is aware that you can get your authority out into the marketplace by creating your own video sales, even if it's basically speak over with slides in the background. It's a way of getting your authority out. There is a marketplace. So webinar is really good, high converting and profitable. Basically what it's is here, webinars are a piece of cake. So this webinar loop 2, so you know, you can run live webinars, you can present live and even cast webcam, you can create replays, you can simulate live webinars. You'll have got no lag on your webinars, dozens of sign up pages and templates that you can customize, including with the page builder, fully customized thank you pages within multiple templates, automated webinars, email reminders, call to actions, buttons. Viewers can click the button of the right hand slide embeddable sign up forms that you can put into your landing pages. Simulate that simulate the chat that helps you to build up a narrative and create impression of many attendees engagement. Sidebar that lets you show info boxes, graphic polls, surveys on other things in the sidebar. Integrate with all the top auto responders as your it's a integration to take your webinars leads into a CRM system. Integrate with Facebook Pixels, Google Pixel, Google Analytics, or any other analytics system. Detailed report and analytics to give you important metrics about retentions on amazing live like full screen webinar experience to keep your viewers immersed and increase protection from funnel hackers and a free automatic upgrade for a year. So that's all set inside of webinar. Now I would like to say that taking a full look of this demonstration video because it will be useful to understand the full system of webinar loop 2 and what's available when you purchase this software. So on the funnel itself you have got the front end of the funnel for webinar loop 2 at $37 and the one time offer upgrade $97. For webinar pro then you have got the agency which is $127 and then you have got the full templates $27. You have got the cloud funnel $67. Then you have got webinar loop 2 which is $1.97 and then you have got the up one time off of 5 which is a pursue of pro $47. So make killer webinars for your business or your clients. So if you already a web agency and you sell landing pages or you create websites, perhaps you have got clients that would be interested is running webinars. So basically here is another product that you can add onto your services. There is also another video that you have watched which is on this web page. You can basically at your leisure watch is at your leisure. So that is basically webinar loop 2. Now if you like in this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my webinar loop 2 review video.